What's up guys? All good? My name is Jack. In this video I will tell you everything you need to know about the LeanBiome before you buy the product. I also have some important warnings for you, so it's extremely important that you watch this video until the end so you don't lose your money. The first point of attention is, be careful with the website where you are going to buy the product, because today this product is only sold on the official website. So to help you, I left the official website link below in the video description and also in the first comment. I'm here in the corner of the screen doing this review to tell you my experience and help you know if the LeanBiome works. What is LeanBiome? LeanBiome, a new weight loss solution, includes beneficial strains of gut bacteria that work fast for weight loss. The mix of good and bad bacteria in your digestive tract is balanced with it, reducing cravings and increasing energy. LeanBiome, available from Lean for Good, is a dietary supplement designed to facilitate weight loss and maintenance. One of our doctors developed this miracle diet drug. Probiotics, prebiotics, green tea extract and other natural components facilitate the digestion of food, which in turn helps to lose weight. The most recent Ivy League research finding that lean bacteria are crucial for weight loss led to the development of the LeanBiome nutritional supplement. Therefore, the supplement seeks to restore a healthy composition of the intestinal flora to help regain weight. The combination of various active substances with various species of lean bacteria studied in clinical settings achieves this. Each bottle of a dietary supplement is 30 non-GMO vegan capsules, or enough for a month's supply. The dietary supplement is manufactured and stored in a U.S. laboratory that complies with all applicable GMP and FDA regulations for quality and safety. How LeanBiome work in human body? The first step in the LeanBiome program is a detoxification that removes accumulated toxins, free radicals, and oxidative stress. It improves blood flow so your body can start burning fat on its own. If you want to get your metabolism into overdrive, adding the lean bacteria found in it to your gut microbiome is a great idea. The rapid fat burning process in the body is activated and fat storage is drastically reduced. Using LeanBiome, you won't feel as hungry as you normally would, and you won't eat as much as you otherwise would. It speeds up the conversion of carbohydrates into usable energy and prevents the body from consuming excess calories. It uses Dr. capsules, which stands for delayed release. This means that LeanBiome capsules do not begin to dissolve until they reach stomach acid. The acid-resistant coating of the capsule protects the beneficial bacteria inside from being neutralized by stomach acid.